everyone, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. So today I have a big update for you all English-speaking viewers. I am going to put my few next videos, all the future videos will be put onto another channel which is called Craftyharmony. So this channel will be only dedicated to English speaking people wherever you are in the world. I thought that it was time for me to separate French videos to English because I haven't got any nasty mails or anything. It's just that I think it's more comfortable to receive only the mails that you are concerned about, not having videos that you are not interested in, because they are exactly the same, just in English. So I will do that probably in July. So the next 2 or 3 videos that I will post will still be here, but then all my newest videos will be put there. I will not take down all the English videos that I already have here. I think I probably have like 300 English videos, so they will stay here. My oldest one will stay here, so please do not unsubscribe if you want to watch them. But do consider subscribing to my newest channel, again, Craftyharmony, because I think I only have 13 subscribers yet. But that's normal because it's the beginning. But from now on, or July, all the newest videos will be put there. And I will upload all the oldest videos too, but it's going to take me some time. I need to fiddle a little bit and change. Probably the introduction will not be Stylharmony anymore, but Craftyharmony. So I have to give it a little tweak, but it takes a lot of time to edit videos. So please consider checking that one out and subscribing there to get all the newest videos. And don't leave me yet, because I still have a lot of videos you probably haven't seen yet. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone, and see you soon. Bye.